What is up guys, welcome to AGT Tech and Motivation YouTube channel and welcome to this new video. So guys, in today's video there's a lot of news. You can see there's like dozens of news, like there are 12 to 13 articles or 12 to 13 news which I'm going to be covering in today's video. I'm not at all going to make you bored in today's video, so I'm just going to be discussing each individual topic very quickly and hope so you will like today's video. And without any further ado, let's get started. Guys, the number one topic of our weekly news is that Apple Watch Series 4 is actually ridiculously best, or you can say it's perfect in the hardware department and also in the software department. And so in the Series 5, or just maybe you might expect like Apple Watch Series 4 only is going to be getting new colors or a new finish I'm going to be discussing. And in the recent codes or in the recent beta update in the iOS 13, it has been noticed that Apple Watch titanium version is definitely coming soon towards us, and that's brilliant. Ceramic and titanium. These both, titanium is one of the strongest alloys to go for, and just drop it from any height, your Apple Watch will definitely survive. And not just that, but it will be, less scratch efficient. You can say like everything Apple Pro did, advanced titanium case, like 50 feet drop test, and the iPhone was still survived. iPhone survived, and that's only what I want to tell. And it will definitely be more durable if Apple will opt for the titanium version. So guys, the next thing I'm going to discuss is Apple is finally getting rid of with the Apple's charging accessory. Because the Apple's Lightning to USB cable is going to be replaced by Lightning to USB Type-C cable, and that is like iPhones are getting Lightning connector, but the main adapter is going to be going for the USB Type-C. So just expect like 2020's iPhones to come with the Lightning, just end of the Lightning and just USB Type-C to USB Type-C, and that definitely will be appreciated. And you can take example like the iPhonepro. If Apple wants to make a perfect iPhone or like a professional iPhone, they definitely need a USB Type-C port, or else the iPhone will be incomplete in the professional department. This is one more thing that we are listening about, like iPhone Pro, and what is this naming scheme like Pro and Max and the ordinary version? Well, it is now predicted that the standard, you can say for example the iPhone XS will be upgraded by the iPhone 11 Pro, and the iPhone XS Max will be upgraded with iPhone 11 Pro Max. Well, this is definitely a strange a lot different kind of naming scheme which Apple's going for if this is a reliable source. But again, like it does make a little more sense than the naming scheme of like iPhone S, the iPhone XS. Instead of that, just going for iPhone 11 Pro and iPhone 11 Pro Max. That the Max version is definitely like a weird kind of naming scheme for sure. But I just want to tell that if Apple is going for this naming scheme, there is no much problem ahead. And I also want to tell that there is also a prediction that Apple is going forward with a green color. iPhone is going to be getting, iPhone 11 Pro is going to be getting a green color variant. We definitely don't know which kind of color it's going to be having, which coating, which shimmer it's going to be having. But just again, it's saying speculations and it's not yet confirmed, but most of the reliable sources actually tell that iPhone in green color is going to be happening soon. And not just that, I want to tell that the current, the Samsung Galaxy Note 10, the bestest display smartphone on the planet. It has like the best, or you can say the highest resolution display ever made, and that display is going forward with the iPhone 11. We thought that iPhones are not going to be getting a display change this year, but they are definitely getting, and not just in speculations or in few pixel densities. This is a ridiculous amount. The Samsung Galaxy Note 10, which was recently launched, it has one of the bestest, the best display in the world, and if iPhone 11 is going to be going for that, it definitely makes a lot of sense. And here there is a little bit sad part that Apple's facial recognition system, the Face ID, the upper notch of an iPhone, is actually not getting smaller or getting larger, and also the fastness, or you can say the amount, the refresh rate, or it's just going to be the same sensor, the second generation facial recognition system, and etc. We heard a lot about this, but there is not going to be any change happening to the facial recognition system this year. Next topic is the pricing. Well, the pricing is very, not changing or drastic change but again same pricing. For the iPhone 11 Pro it's going to be $1,000, and for the Pro Max it's going to be $1,099, and just for the iPhone 11R or whatever it's going to be called as, it's going to be having $750 pricing. And not just that, there's also a little bit sadder part, and that is the iPhone SE is not at all getting an upgrade. Yes guys, there is no iPhone SE 2 or an iPhone SE refresh coming in 2019. Most of the rumors actually tell it for 2020, but again, like everything Apple Pro has also confirmed that there is no iPhone SE for 2019. Guys, I think that wraps up for today's video. You know, there are a lot of news which I provided you, or just I tried my level best to tell you that what is actually happening in Apple's ecosystem. Well, I just want to tell at the end of today's video that we never can know, as I said in my earlier videos also, whenever I make this kind of videos I tell that we cannot never predict that what Apple has in store for us, and that stands true till today, just because we really are just 2 weeks or like a week ahead behind of the iPhone's launch, and just basically we are getting new news or new leaks and new confirmations which we never thought is going to be happening. And that's what I want to tell, that we even like today I'm telling you something different, or even like a day before the launch, even we have like an overall idea that this is going to be the iPhone 11, but just going to the keynote and just seeing that iPhone, well, that might be completely different than what we have predicted. And that's the whole, you can say that's the beauty in this kind of game, and just trying to see something better than what we have expected is always appreciated. And I think that's wraps it up for today's video. Hope so you have liked today's video. If you like, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Again, like we are just 10 subscribers away from reaching 1K subscribers, so just share your love by clicking the red box, and also stay tuned for my more videos. I more frequently make this kind of videos. I upload a video every day, so hope so you will also appreciate my videos. And I think that wraps it up for today, so I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, peace.